I talked to James a little while ago, and he says he's really stiff in his back. It's as stiff as a board, as stiff as he's ever been. And he actually has some burns on his back. But nothing's broken, which is amazing, because that was a pretty nasty wreck. And I heard from his guys, Eric Sorby, in fact, on Sunday after Jacksonville, and he said everything was okay. He got released out of the hospital late at night. They checked him over, nothing was wrong. He was able to go home and rest up. Doesn't sound like he practiced much this week, but from what I've seen out there, he didn't lose any speed either.
Watson? Yeah. It's kind of a long story.
What?
He has passport issues. So is he? I don't know if I'm supposed to say that. he had some family issues this weekend to attend to. So.